out visiting another friend, and this is the air conditioner. It is a Intertherm, and it's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. This is a straight cool unit. And everything's on the compressor, but it's worn off apparently. Yeah, you can see that little sticker right there. That's all worn off, but the compressor model is CR28K6-PFV230, so it's a 2.5 ton, one phase from 1995 apparently. And this thing is tiny, and everything goes under the house. I don't know exactly where, but oh yeah, you can't probably see it, but there's where the pipes end. This is a cheapo Intertherm Miller, another one of them split system air conditioner, and I'm gonna find out what kind of heat he has, because this is high efficiency, probably electric resistance heat, I would imagine. But this is from 1995. Oh, it don't even say anything. It's made by Nordyne, made in USA. This is a straight cool unit, and I want to find out what heat he has. Okay, I'm back, and this house has regular strip heat, just like our neighbor. It's matched with an electric furnace. Intertherm, better by design, so it's 2.5 ton, just so you know. I'd imagine R22 refrigerant, but it is a 2.5 ton. High efficiency, I find that kind of funny. Probably a 10 SEER, 12 at the most. Over.